Here is a wonderful 2023 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica delivers the ultimate in family-focused transportation. Its excellent ergonomics, amenities, and safety features inspire confidence and assure comfort for everyone. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated and/or cooled front seats, 360-degree view car camera, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, panoramic roof, keyless entry, moonroof, all-wheel drive. It's so enjoyable to drive, you might forget it's a minivan. Take the Pacifica out for a drive and see for yourself.